All right, so video for Milonga De Franchino, guitar number 1. We're to pick it up at 37. I'm going to recommend you playing it in the 7th position. I've explored it just a little bit and kind of thinking that you need to stick here. So we got the B, G, A, B, G, A, B, D, C sharp, A, F sharp, G, A. So try to get that expressiveness and that kind of like, you know, that feel of it, of just this kind of maybe a butterfly, just, you know, butterflies going through air, but it's got dips and it's got motion to it, right? So you want that right there. So that whole little section, I'll practice that just as a section by itself before moving on, because moving on, the rhythm stays very similar, but the accidentals change a lot. So let's talk about the accidentals. They're coming down to a B flat, C natural, right? So notice how I'm still staying in 7th position, but I'm just stretching just a little bit, right? Staying in 7th, but just stretching for that B flat just a little bit. All right, I'm looking at a score. That's why I'm getting a little bit wonky sometimes, so just FYI. I'll probably change pages a lot more too. So same thing here, 47. All right, so notice how I'm staying in the 7th position, but I'm kind of just stretching a little bit to get that F natural. All right, so. So you have an F sharp. You go from F natural back to F sharp between 48 and 49. All right, so let's play this section real slow. And then, all right, so A, B, G, F sharp, E, and ending there on the F sharp. Now in 53, you have a lot of interplay between other parts. So just kind of know that. Guitar 2 is going to start with this, and then you're going to answer them. All right, so there's a lot of that in between you, guitar 2, and guitar 3, all right? Actually, it looks like you and guitar 3 are kind of just sticking together, and you two are interacting with guitar number 2. So let's play that real quick. This is guitar 2. They kind of add, it comes in on the end of 1, or the ta of 1. 1, 2, 1. All right, and then guitar 2 calls again, and you answer with the so you're starting here on the A, B, D, G, F sharp, E, and back down to D. So 1. All right, now you get into this triplet section. So triplet, 1 lolly, 2 lolly. All right, so let's talk about that. So really easy. I'm in the 7th position. All right, so remember that rhythm that guitar number 3 was playing that. Right, so boom, ta. So it's 1 ta and 1 ta and Jacob. We're not talking about that. So that's the same rhythm at 59. So you have 1 ta and 2 ta and. All right, so right there at 59, you go. You can play it like that in the 5th position, or 7th position. So D on the 7th fret, A on the 7th fret, F sharp on the 9th fret, and then you're gonna go to D on the 10th. So it's like, it's a D major chord. Now here, since you're here on the A, you can drop down and do this. All right, or maybe up here. if you do it up here, all you have to do is go over one string for the next part. So maybe just drop down, right? So 2, 3, 4. 2. All right. And then 1. And then you're going into, I guess, a different tonal center, right? Because there's a lot of accidentals that are happening in there. Go back and listen to that first section. It's pretty easy. But let's just go through this next section. Let's focus on it. So you're ending with the, all right? So 1 and 2 and 3. And then we go up higher. So let's figure out where that's supposed to be. I would play that kind of like in this 10th position. So 1. Then you go up to G. Ooh, F sharp. Ooh, and then changes to an F sharp. That's weird. So you go up with the F natural and then come back down with the F sharp. Starting at 71. Let's take a look. 1. Yikes. I think that was a C sharp. Yeah, that was definitely a C sharp. 2. So there's a lot of little modulation stuff in there. Let's take it back to 68, right? So here we go. So 1, 2, 1. 4. So there must be crazy stuff going on in the harmony beneath.